Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to verify your Telegram wallet. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Telegram wallet on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and access the Telegram wallet chat. Inside it, tap on the wallet button located at the bottom left corner and your Telegram wallet will slide onto your screen. Now, tap on the settings icon at the top left corner and your account settings will be displayed. Here, you will see the verification feature, but keep in mind that in some regions, it may not be available. To proceed with the verification, swipe back to the home screen and expand the Assets section. Next, tap on one of the tokens you have. Select Receive and a verification pop-up will appear. Here, you can check mark the agreement and tap on Continue. This will take you to the next step where you can follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. So that's basically how you can verify your Telegram wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.